Hi, everyone. I'd like to welcome Vamshi from Microsoft. He is here to talk to us about our partnership and some of the innovation we've been doing together. Hi, Vamshi.
Hi, Lisa. Nice to connect again. I'm a product manager in the Azure Storage team, responsible for our object storage platform, our backup, and our partnerships, including the strategic partnership with Veritas.
Thank you so much for joining, Vamshi. We're very excited about our Microsoft partnership. We've been working together for a very, very long time trying to solve our joint customer needs. I think that makes sense for us to maybe highlight some of the core key things that Veritas and Microsoft have recently done. I would like to point out for our customers, three things, not rehash everything that we support and the work we've done. The first one really being the optimized deduplication support we're bringing to Azure Archive in this 9 release. I think that has a lot of value for our customers. The second is our day zero AVS or Azure VMware Solution support that we recently announced for Net Backup. And the third is our expanding capabilities across data protection and resiliency inside of Azure Stack. I mean, I think that touches on all three of the core of those use cases. I wonder if you could comment from a Microsoft perspective across Archive and AVS and Azure Stack, the value that you see here and and how that's serving customer needs.
Yeah, no, these are all great features, Lisa, and it's been fantastic working with your engineering team on developing these features over the last little while. Let me kind of break it down for each of them. On the archive support, it's a great cost optimization and efficiency for customers who have compliance needs and long-term retention needs that are in the many years or even many decades. Archive is a very low cost, deep archive tier on Azure. The cost is about $10,000 a petabyte a year. So having, coupling net backups, dedupe capabilities, and being able to write natively to this tier is going to be fantastic in terms of cost savings. And that's something that's super important as more and more IT departments have to kind of squeeze more into less. And the AVS is another great example of that cloud native data protection and having the capabilities there. Azure VMware Solution is a new offering, but we heard loud and clear from customers who are bringing their VMware environments that they wanted enterprise class data protection in this managed service, just like they do have it on-prem. And for all net backup customers, the fact that we have this nice seamless ability for you to migrate your workload, but then keep all those data protection resiliency capabilities is huge. And on the last point about Edge and the Edge investments, I think Veritas was a leader in partnering with us and really providing support for Azure Stack and Azure Stack Edge. And these continue to see increased traction as customers have data residency needs in countries where we don't have an Azure region yet, or we may never have an Azure region. And as well as, sort of places where you need to bring computation, those AI and ML capabilities closer to where the data is produced. A good example of this is the IoT sensor feeds and video data feeds and other things that happen on factory floors for quality assurance and safety. And you need a very tight loop ability to respond to things happening there. But just as important is, data protection and resiliency and recovery, because these are mission critical environments. And again, having Veritas provide that support for our joint customers has been fantastic.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more. And so thank you for joining me today. Thank you to all our customers. I hope we've given you some insight into our partnership and the work we're doing together. Thanks so much, Vamshi.
Yeah, thank you, Lisa. It's great to talk with all of our shared customers, and thank you to all of the customers for pushing us to be better and building better products together for all of you.